How's it going, guys? My name is Mike Mack with KECO Body Repair Products, and today we're going to be installing our 36-inch locking top onto our 36-inch KECO L2E system. Our new lock top comes with a new magnetic shadow board with a new layout for efficiency, ease of use, and organization. We also have the closing top that's going to help keep your tools locked away and clean. All right, to begin installing your locking cabinet, we're going to have to remove all the tools off of our backboard so that we can install our magnetic shadow board onto our system. A little advice with installing your magnetic shadow board: if you can, get a second pair of hands. Get both the top corners lined up and slowly roll it down your pegboard of your L2E system. The next step with installing our locking cabinet is going to be getting our side panels set on. It's going to slide up on top of your third panel up here and sit on the side of your cart. At the bottom, just make sure this bottom part is sitting flush with this outer rail on your cart. After that, we're going to take a pen and we're going to mark all our holes so we can drill pilot holes for our screws. All right, now that we have our pilot holes all drilled, we're ready to set our side panels on and get them screwed onto our cart. All right, now that we have the side panels installed for our locking top, we're gonna go ahead and get our shocks bolted to the sides before we go ahead and put the final piece of this locking top on. Okay, now that we have our side panels installed, our shocks installed, we're now ready to go ahead and put the final piece of our cabinet on. Now that we have the final piece installed, we're gonna go ahead, find a prop, just a hood prop, go ahead and get this pushed up, and we're gonna get this set up so that we can get these shocks installed. All right, now that the side panels and the closing top are installed, the last thing to do is to go ahead and get your handle installed on the front of your cabinet. All right, guys, now that is the installation of our magnetic shadow board and locking top for our L2E system. They are available right now on KECOtabs.com for $3.99. We do have a lot coming up in 2024 between products and training, so make sure to follow us to keep up to date for what we got coming at you.